Hello everyone, welcome back to UG Solutions. Today I am going to show you how to do basic mathematical operations in Python. So let's get started. I'm using PyCharm. So PyCharm Community Edition. I already make a video on this one, that how to install PyCharm on Ubuntu. I'm using Ubuntu. So I just click here, right click on Python project. Python file. I just name it calculator. So here I will explain you first that I will make four functions first: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Then I will just make another main function in which I will take user inputs and will call the functions accordingly. So let's start it. I will just name a function and the definition of function. I will just two inputs x and y, return plus y. Okay, then another function subtract. In this I will also pass two variables x and y, return x minus y. Other one, multiplication, apply or multiplication, x y. There are two parameters x y, return x multiply y. Third and the fourth one is divide or division, you can say. So y return x divided by y. But here I will add one condition also. Colon on the end of line and function definition. Okay, so here I will just add one statement to handle the input of 0 of second number. If the input is 0 of second number, okay, then return what will be returned? Error. Division with 0 not allowed. Okay, otherwise it will return x divided by y. Okay, so that's it. Let's define the main function calculator. In this function I will print a statement first, just to display my calculator, or you can name anything, my first Python calculator. Then print select an operation, which operation you want, then print one addition. Then we'll take subtraction, like if the user needs subtraction, this option user will select subtraction. If user need multiplication, user will go for option 3, multiplication. Print division. Okay, so next we will take user input, enter user choice 1 2 3 4. What exactly the user need? If choice in 1 or 2 3 4, then try. I will just add try and accept block just to handle the error. Okay, if you don't know about it, just mention in the comment box. I will just explain you further on this in the next video. Try num1 is equal to float, enter input, enter number 1, there is an error I have to check. Actually, so now my statement is not complete. That's why f choice is equal to 1. Then it will print this. F is to concatenate the string with our results to with the numbers. So f, I will just add f in the print statement first, then a result. These brackets will be used to take the original number which the user will just pass. It will be printed same as it is here, plus num 2, then add the function add xy. I will pass x to 1 and then num2 to y. Understood? Okay, so I will go for elif. Same choice is equal to 2. Num1 minus 2. Then we will call second function subtract. Now 1 will pass now 2. That's it. So I will go for elif3 if choice is equal to 3. Then print f result. Now 1 multiply now 2. We call third function now multiply now 1 now 2 and elif accept value error. This is to handle the error if there is any error in the code. Print select valid option. Okay, so let's just run the code. If name equal to name calculator is our function, and I will just call it an end statement. We'll call directly. But this one is giving error made to me. Okay, let me run and check if there is any error. Okay, enter twice. I will just add two numbers. We'll add 4, 6, and it's giving me 10. Okay, I will rerun the code and check for subtraction. It's giving me 3. So that's it. You can just check for multiplication and division, and can add more options in this, like square root and other mathematical operations in that one. And you can also try to add the GUI, and mention in the comment box if you need any clarification on this one. Thanks for watching. Hope you have liked my video. Please subscribe, and don't forget to share it with the friends. Thank you.